Hi everybody, today's lesson is going to be on democracy. You've probably actually heard this term many times before, but do you really know what it means? We're going to be focusing on defining that term today, kind of figuring out what role you have in a democracy, but also what other types of government are there, and how is democracy similar or different from those different types. So our essential question for today is going to be, who makes the decisions and laws in different types of government? While we're going through the lesson, our objectives are going to be for you to understand the concept of democracy, not only being able to define it, but being able to explain it and give specific examples of how democracy works. And you're going to be learning about other types of government and how they may be similar or dissimilar from democracies. So let's head on. We're going to watch a quick video first and then go into more about democracy.
As Abraham Lincoln once said, democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. In other words, democracy occurs when people choose who their leaders will be and hold these leaders accountable for their actions in office. In a democracy, the people are the highest form of political authority. Power flows from the people to the leaders of the government. The leaders in government are only there for a set period of time, while the people are there forever. Voters are free to vote for whomever they would like, in secret without intimidation or violence. Elections in a democracy not only occur at regular intervals, but are also administered by a fair and professional body. Those in power cannot extend their term without the permission of the people again through elections. In a democracy, people are free to criticize their elected leaders and representatives. If democracy is to work, citizens must not only participate and exercise their rights, they must also observe certain principles and rules of democratic conduct. Every person has the right to practice their beliefs, but they should also accept that they are part of a large, diverse state where everybody has the right to be heard. Participation in a democracy is vital. Without participation, a democracy can quickly become dominated by a select few who do not have the interests of the majority at heart. Participation can come in many forms: campaigning for a candidate, running as a candidate, debating public issues, attending meetings, and protesting are all ways to become involved. In a democracy, people have the right to associate with other people and form or join any organization of their choice. As an example, political parties are vital organizations and provide places for people to become active members of democracy. However, no one is required or blocked from joining a political party. At the core of democracy is compromise. One group does not always win or lose everything. Different combinations of groups win on different issues. So what exactly is democracy? Democracy is many things to different people. To one person, it may be respect, while to another person, it may be freedom. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide how democracy will work for you.
Alright, now that we're done watching the video, make sure that you answer the questions below before heading on to the next page.